I'm about to walk you through my exact workflow on how I make hyper-realistic AI videos just like this that I'm able to sell to clients profitably all in one platform. If you're interested in the full workflow, stay till the end of the video and I'll detail every single step that I do to make a video like this. Now, I'm sure you've seen AI content like this all over your feed. I'm about to show you exactly how you can sell these type of videos to your clients end to end, all using one platform, Viralinn. Viralinn is the AI production and distribution layer for agencies that don't know how to slow down. This is basically the platform you need if you're trying to actually scale AI videos and not just make them in your free time for fun. But let's get right into the video. No more wasting time. If you have any questions, ask them down in the comments. All links will be down in the description below. Okay, so this is the platform. So right now, I'm about to be walking you through a project I made, which is the video I showed you here, as well as I'll walk you through this video as well. It's now easier than ever to make AI UGC, especially in Viralinn, because recently the composer has been added. Basically, this allows you to make full AI UGC videos on the platform just by prompting. You don't even have to do any work. Before, obviously, you would prompt with the AI UGC videos, but you had to prompt multiple different scenes and everything like that. It would get pretty annoying. You're like, that's not that fun. So as you can see here, this is the exact prompt I used to make this video. So it's a pretty long prompt, but actually, all it is just breaking down the video what I wanted with one master prompt for Google Omni and having the dialogue change right here. That's all I changed for each prompt, because I just knew what I want. This client gave me a script, so I just created that script with this master prompt, and then from there I was able to use the reference I told it to use. I was able to create the nodes, and plug the nodes in. So plugged into these nodes exactly what I need to be plugged into. Had the model set up, had the prompts already based in here, and everything was just ready to go for me to edit right after. It was very, very easy. This is a very simple example, and like this is really what you can do to scale your content. Right here, you could just have Composer make you 1,000 different variations of this video with different hooks, different body, different topics, and all these videos could be ready to go. A really powerful method is to do like 10 different hooks, 10 different bodies, and 10 different call to actions, and upload them all as try reels on your Instagram account to test incredibly fast. And as long as it's a good content, man, like you're off to the races. This is a more recent studio I just was working on, and this is with the Viralinn MCP. So now if you would like to directly to work with Cloud Code, now that Fable 5 is back and Mythos is out, if it's out at the time of the recording the video, you're able to directly connect it to your Cloud Code to use your own models or codecs if you would like to as well. And this is how I made this one right here. So this one was actually what I did was I took a video from TikTok that I like for a hair company, right? And I basically was able to get these really detailed shots of with this custom avatar holding down the hair. Like hair is a really complex, like hair, skin, stuff like that. It's really hard to really get accurate and look natural. These hair extensions look so real. You literally like all of this. I don't know. You couldn't even tell me like this is just like this is how it looks to comb your hair. And AI gets this wrong so often because the models or people trying to either do it themselves, they don't know how to prompt it properly. But when you're working with either the composer or you're using the MCP, Claude, or I would have GLM and Claude under the hood for the composer, allows you to really get deep into the weeds and understand the best way to prompt these images and videos and set up the studios as well. So you don't have to understand how this thing works. Just tell it what you want. Be detailed, right? Like tell it what you really want. Try and go in depth about it. If you can't, go into ChatGPT, tell ChatGPT what you want, and tell it to make a prompt for this. And I'll give you guys access to the ChatGPT preset that I use as well, so you guys have a starting point. But as you can see, these videos right here all you do is just make these. You have the composer make these images and you turn them into videos. All you literally do is stitch them together, and you have a full video like this. That's an example of that. And so this one here, or any of the many videos on our site as well that you would like to go through. I have studios for a majority of these that you guys can see. The final step is editing, and people might cry when I say that. I listen. I know, I get it. I'm working on an in-house editor that allows Composer to edit the videos for you and literally have it fully ready to go. That's why there's a create, ID, and distribute tab. Distribute is gonna be allow you to literally package these videos up, make the variations, and automatically to your social accounts. It's just not ready yet. So right now, what I do is I upload the clips into. I do one of two things. I either download them and I have Claude edit them with video use, or I upload them to DaVinci Resolve and edit it myself and add the captions. So that's how I get the best results possible for me and my clients. And because I'm getting my clients are paying me for it, I'm not lazy with it. I try and really do put time and effort into it, and it's worthwhile. And these videos are worth around like $50 to $85 per video, if not 100, depending on how you sell it. So this is honestly a really good add-on to your agency or company if you're not already advertising. And it could get really deep. You have very consistent characters and like really more in-depth campaigns like stuff like this. And it's just a matter of what you can think of, honestly, which is the best part about AI UGC. It's just the sky is literally the limit. Well, that's gonna be it for today's video. If you guys have any questions at all about how to get access to Viralinn, or or any questions about my workflow in general, you can do a lot of the similar things I'm doing here with any other workflow. But Viralinn is just how I do it. It's what I built, and it's what helped me to sell to clients at the level I'm doing right now. If you guys have any questions, please just comment down below or shoot me a DM on any of my platforms. If you would like to test Viralinn, it's not free, you have to pay for your credits, but if you reach out to me and you want to test out the platform and just pay for your credits, let me know and I cut your deal. Until next time, I'll be bringing more AI UGC advice and game. Talk to you guys soon. Peace.